If a student is looking for a private college in West Bengal, the most reputed private college in West Bengal is in Kolkata, that is KPC Medical College. In KPC Medical College, private management quota, cutoff, fee structure, entire information I have mentioned in this video. So go through this video till end.
My name is Kali Pradeep Chaudhary. I am the chairman of the KPC Group. KPC Group has a proud history. It is 750 years old. We have 22 generations that we lived in one place. And KPC Group now has emerged to be a significant group. It involves business related to medicine, many branches of medicine, mainly. We have series of hospital, chain of hospital across America, India and abroad. We have large group of medical groups, our doctors working for us. We have ancillary care such as recovery center, rehab center, convalescent center, long-term care, SNF, and others.
You was watching the speech of Dr. Kali Pradeep Chaudhary, who is the chairman of KPC Medical College, Kolkata. Student, if anyone is looking for admission in private college in West Bengal, as a counselor and as a mentor, I only suggest them one college, that is KPC Medical College in West Bengal. Because when a student asks for the private college, considering the multiple factor, I think only the KPC Medical College we can advise for MBBS educations, considering the different factors which we consider in our counseling guidance process. KPC Medical College started in the year of 2008. Presently, KPC is having total 200 MBBS seats. Apart from MBBS, they have the PG also, postgraduate in medical, MDMS also, KPC is there. In today's video, I'll give you the informations about the last year, that is 2024, cutoff rank and score of KPC Medical College, but it is in private management quota. I have already shared the state quota. It is private management quota. I'll share with you the cutoff score rank and also I'll share the fee structure of KPC Medical College. So you'll get an idea how much score is required to get the KPC Medical College in West Bengal. The advantage of KPC Medical College is that it is the heart of Kolkata. So that is apart from that, KPC Medical College, other private colleges a little outside from Kolkata, but it is in Kolkata itself. So if a student who are looking for private college outside West Bengal also, this is a good opportunity for them for doing the MBBS in private management quota. So let's start with the cutoff and fees of KPC Medical College. Student, in our YouTube video, we keep updating you different informations related to the fees, cutoff rank, score for MBBS admission in different state. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all informations regularly. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. So let's start with the cutoff rank. See, in KPC Medical College 2024, round 1 cutoff score was 569 and the cutoff rank was 1,13,252. This is the cutoff rank in round 1 and the parallel score is 569. Whereas in a round 2 cutoff was little high, that is 84,055 and the score is 594. Round 3 it is 1,09,189 and the score is 573. So you can understand, if you are looking for KPC Medical College, ideally your NEET score and based on the previous years, it has to be around 570, 580 in that range. to get the KPC Medical College private management quota. See, in private management quota in West Bengal, there is no domicile restrictions. Anyone can, any part of India, they can participate in the counseling and they can take admissions in private management quota based on their rank only. Now, if I come to the fee structure of KPC Medical College, in KPC Medical College fee structure, you can see the total fee is 72 lakhs. But here in KPC Medical College or any other private college, they take the fees in semester wise. 9 semesters are there. You can see per semester 8 lakhs you have to pay. So total 9 semester it is coming is 72 lakhs. 8 lakhs per semester. Total is 72 lakhs. At the time of admission, 50,000 you have to pay. Caution deposit 15,000. Okay, and the lodging charge 4,500. Hostel fees. Apart from that, the 14 charges are there. There is no any other charges involved there apart from the total amount to be paid in. But here one thing you have to note it, at the time of admissions, you have to pay total 27 lakh 65,000 at the time of admissions. So that is, if you see this, I mean, it is around 3 semesters, more than 3 semesters fees. So it is 27 lakh 65,000 you have to pay through demand draft only. Now in KPC Medical College, there are many private colleges are there in West Bengal. They ask for bank guarantee, but in KPC Medical College there is no bank guarantee involved. But they will ask you for the course discontinuations bond. They will ask you for the course discontinuation bond because they don't allow you to discontinue the course in between the studies. So in case if you want to leave the course after 1 year or after 2 years, you have to pay the balance fees of your medical studies. So that you have to be careful in time of taking admission. But the advantage is that they don't ask you for like bank guarantee like other private college. See, in the beginning only I told you, if you are looking for a private college in West Bengal, I suggest only one private college, that is KPC Medical College. In case if you are not getting KPC Medical College, if you are taking other private college, then you can check the informations properly before taking the admission because their fee structure is very high. More than 90 lakhs is the fee structure. Some of the colleges, they ask for the bank guarantee. So in the same fees, you can try other state, you will be getting much better options. Regarding that, if you are looking for any counseling guidance services, you can contact me in this number, the number I have mentioned here. You can contact me for the end-to-end counseling guidance services, 9900486666. We'll guide you the best college according to your NEET rank and according to your budget. So whatever you are spending, what you are investing for MBBS, you will get the best college according to your rank and the budget. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment section. And again, I'm telling, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, you can subscribe the channel to get all other states informations regarding the cutoff and the fee structure. Thank you so much, student.